Ladies and gentlemen, get your coins ready, but not for coffee. Today we're talking about a real journey through time. The LEGO Ideas 21358 minifigure vending machine has arrived. And trust me, it's not just a model. It really works. Imagine being a kid again. You're at the bar, in front of that machine that shoots out surprises in transparent capsules. A turn of the crank, a clack, and boom! Magic. Now do the same. But with Lego bricks. Yes, you read that right. This set, the brainchild of Belgian fan designer Rob Vangenswinkel, is pure nostalgia. Rob tells us that when he was a kid he had a real vending machine at home, and he decided to recreate it brick by brick. The result? 1,343 pieces of pure retro love. But be careful. We're not just talking about a little display object. This is a working vending machine, complete with a crank that clicks, a slot for a Lego coin. Yes, there's a dedicated Lego coin. And 16 capsules full of surprises. Inside each capsule, you'll find buildable minifigures that will make fans' hearts explode. There are tributes to legendary themes like Castle, Paradisa, Pirates, Classic Space, with astronauts in teal and gold, not pizza and figs. And even the timeless Fabuland. Oh, and then there's a minifigure dedicated to Rob, the fan designer. Because come on, after taking apart his old vending machine to figure out how to do it in Lego, he deserved it. The building experience? A delight. You can follow the classic instructions in the box or immerse yourself in the Lego Builder app with 3D visualization and everything else. Because yes, we are nostalgic, but also technological. The dimensions? 28 centimeters high by 17 wide, 21 deep. It fits perfectly on a desk, but attracts more attention than a plasma lamp from the 90s. But wait. For Lego insiders, it is available from June 1st. For everyone else, however, it arrives on June 4th, just in time for summer. Perfect to build with the fan on and 2000 Spotify in the background. This set is one of those Lego gems that appeal to both die-hard collectors and those who want a fun and original object to show off to friends. In short, this 21358 is a brick time machine, ready to shoot nostalgia one capsule at a time. And now it's your turn. Which minifigure do you hope to find first? And how many coins are you willing to insert to complete them all?